Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group EA would like to present our web app system, which is past year paper examination system. So this group consists of 4 people, which is Ku Chun Cheng, me, Muhammad Nur Adli bin Rozlan, Nurul Ain binti Amiruddin, and Muhammad Amirul Syafiq bin Zulkifli. So the objective for this system is to develop a platform for students to practical for their real exam, to provide teachers a more convenient ways to mark paper, and also to save time on preparing for an exam such as venue, printing, distribution, and collecting the papers. For this system, the system is designed to provide students with access to the past exam papers in various subjects. By appointing exam, the system allows users to download exam papers. This application also includes a feature for users to upload their own answer. The application will be mobile friendly, which will allowing students to access it on the go. Also, it have time constraint feature so that students can try and learn to manage their time in through exam. Overall, our system aims to provide students with a convenient and efficient way to prepare for exam by providing access to past exam papers and marks by their teacher. So I will pass to Ain.
I will continue the presentation. So this is our WordPress, Sekolah Menengah Sains Muzaffar Shah. This is a homepage of the website, and the tagline of the mosaic is bersikap membina. And we include the image of the surrounding of the mosaic. And this is kata-kata aluan for pengetua. And at the bottom, we include the takwim, bulletin, and pengumuman. When we click the takwim, it show the takwim of the mosaic. So if we click the bulletin, it show like this, bulletin. And then pengumuman, we put pengumuman for the example Chinese New Year, mesyuarat PIBG and Hari Suka Sekolah. At homepage also, we include the countdown of the SPM, and at the bottom, the button of find out more is go to the Facebook mosaic. Ada page for the example sekolah kami. It has pengenalan organisasi sekolah and visi and misi sekolah. For the pengenalan, we put the pengenalan of the mosaic such as bendera sekolah, latar belakang, sejarah, maklumat sekolah, and it also falsafah pendidikan kebangsaan. So, for the organisasi sekolah, it has organisation of the mosaic, pengetua, and the teachers. In pemuafakan strategi, it has, for the example, alumni. We put the names of alumni. For the example, we can click this name and it go to the Wikipedia website. So that's all for me, and I will pass to Ku.
Yeah, thank you, Ain. So now we go to the demonstration of the past year paper exam system. So how to access to it is to come to the WordPress, then click the BYBES. Then we can redirect to the page. So we come to the login page first. So at the first we log in as the student. So we can check at the database. So we're going to log in as the first user with the password 124. Then we come to the home page. So at first we go to the view profile. So here all is read only. Then we click the change password. So this page is used for the student or the teacher to change the password. This is the concept the student or teacher need to do the activation. So here have the validation, the simple tool. So the current you have two. One is the current password, and the second one is the password confirm new password, and the confirm password must be the same. So we try for the first one, or the list wrong one. The password is 124. So we can see wrong all passwords inserted. Then we insert 124, then 125. But this one we get in, so we can see new password not the same. This time we change the password. And we wait out, we will redirect back to the home page. Then we will refresh to check. So we can see the password is changed. So you can update here. Then we back to, then we go to the main function, which is the exam portal. So come to the exam portal, we have the concept. First is the start and end time. So before this, so below is the example of the before the start time. So before the start time, the student will only see the exam is not started but in the schedule. Except it already the current time is already past the end time, so the student will not see this one. Means the exam is closed already. So student can check the paper. So this is exam paper they need question paper they need to access, and then after that they need to upload their answer. So we we have 4 answer dummy, which is 1 to 4 to associate in the demonstration. So we go to the database. We click on the exam attempt. So the first one we can see the answer is now. Now you're going to upload it. So we choose the file. We select the first one. Then you can see you already insert into the temporary place. And then now we're going to submit it to the database. So file submitted. So file is submitted. We refresh here. You can see it. Then student can also check back their answers to see whether the correct file is uploaded or not. So you can see the answer dummy one, the correct one. So we try again. This time we inserted the second one, submitted. Answer dummy 2. So to show this, to demo this start and end time, we're going to change the exam time. We go to edit. This time we change it to before, after. We change time to backward. So it will say the exam is not started yet. We come back to refresh. Oh, I set the wrong hour. We go. Then refresh again. So we can see that the time. Then this time we try to for the end time. So this one will disappear. We go to edit. We pull up both time. So the paper one will disappear. So paper one is disappear now. So so this is complete functionality for the student. Now we go to check for the demo for the teacher. We log in as the teacher. So this is same functionality as the student one. We come to the exam portal of teacher. So we can see there is 2 exam, which is the exam list. So they have two exam here with the exam paper. The teacher can also access the paper as student, same as the student. So this is the module A paper 1. This is the module 3A paper 3. Then for the submission link, we try. So we can see the student answer, which should be 2. This one is also 2, and then 3. Based on the database. And then another function is after marking, so like the teacher can update their mark here. So this one we try with the decimal first, updated. So here after updating the mark, we need to refresh to see the change. But this time we just update all first. We update the second with 93. We update, so we can see the change. This one also with 40. Then we can see the functionality here. Then come back in the case there is no answer submitted. So we try here. So here have one answer, but we delete it. So the attempt, delete this one. So we can see in the case there is no answer submitted. Then we reopen again. So we can see no answer submitted in this case. Then we log out. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.